Hi there, I'm back. I'm just going to give you a little bit of definition of what we're doing here. So there's shading and then there's toning. So shading is making immediate areas. I'm going to have all this, the lighter areas here. I'm going to have them blend in to the darker area. And that's where I'm going to leave that one. And same thing with this one. I'm going to take all the lighter areas and I'm going to blend them into the darker areas here. So all of these will be, after that's done, they should be looking pretty darn close to looking like these here. So, and then after that, then I'm going to take lighter areas like this here, make it all look like one piece, one color tone and all. So shading is immediate blending into the consistent looking color. And then I'm going to do toning, which is bringing up the whole color to match this color. And then I'm going to take all that and I'm going to tone all that into these skirts. So there is a difference between shading and toning. So in industry though, it is a stained pigment or dye pigment to bring the lighter areas into the existing darker, and then I tone everything to its consistent hue of a color. So yeah, and this little FYI. Cheers.